Good morning, Kasey.
Good morning.
So we do a lot of data integration at MarkLogic, and one of the things that I see as a big challenge is that the data across these different silos doesn't always agree. The names may have typos, the birthdays may not match. Sometimes something's missing, sometimes something's just erroneous. It's a real problem when you pull all the data together into having one central database. So what do we do about that?
Yeah, so we were seeing that pattern across a lot of our customers as well as they were doing data integration. So we developed a capability called Smart Mastering that's actually part of the Data Hub.
How's Smart Mastering work?
Well, the key part of mastering is that you're matching and merging entities. So it's a two-step process. Matching is all about applying weights to the fields that you care about to figure out what are most likely a match. So you're using probabilities, relevance ranking, you're actually using our built-in search technology to classify which ones are the likeliest to be the same customer, the same John and Jonathan, for example. So once you have those weights and you apply those business rules to your set of data, you have these likely sets of matches, maybe definite matches, you have these thresholds. Then in merging is when you actually decide how are you going to unify the record. So you have another set of business rules that says whether you need to keep all of the values or how to determine what's the most correct value. I'm going to show you really quickly how applying the rules makes the data better. So in this case we have two customer records. They have the same name. If I drill into the record, I see a little bit more detail and can tell that they might be the same, but I'm not entirely sure. So I'm going to let the business rules and the probabilities, the weights that I've set, determine that for me. So I'm going to go over here to run my mastering flow. Once I run mastering, this is where it's actually taking my business rules, applying them to the match. It's also taking my business rules and applying them to the merge if there is indeed a match. And so let's check on that same customer record. And it looks like it got merged. So it was indeed a match. And if I drill farther into it, you can see that we have the full lineage of where the two records came from, their sources, and what those earlier fields were.
That's how you can undo the merge. No data is lost. You can follow the breadcrumbs all the way through, justify every field saying this field is true and we know it's true because we got it from here.
That's right.
Kasey, I'd love to see what customers are doing with Smart Mastering. Is there an opportunity I'll have for that?
Yes, at MarkLogic World, Chevron will actually be on stage talking all about how Smart Mastering was a critical part of transforming their business. So I'm really excited to share that with people and hear more about how they've used it.
You should come.